You have this unique chance to be in a retreat in this lifetime. This lifetime, you met truth, you met the master, your innermost truth. And like this, in the understanding of this, you're retreating from ordinary life. You retreat from the samsara, the labyrinth of the senses and relations, all these troubles which your neighbors experience, your family, your large family experience. Always running to achieve something, always suffering from the past. And you can retreat from that. Retreating doesn't mean that you run off from life. Retreating doesn't mean you cut your heart to your beloved ones. You close your heart from your beloved one. No, it means arriving here, retreating from illusion, from this entire drama, which is called the world, the story. And you know who you are. And you see that everybody wants your energy, your attention. Everything is sucking on you, gnawing on you. The world with its objects, the social media, the advertising, the TV, the family, your past, everything wants your attention, this life force. And you retreat from that, and you see the Guru is here, and also there's some Sangha, and some are doing very well. And you think everyone except of me. You know? That's also a program from the past. I am not good enough. I am not the chosen one. I am not perfect. So also from this, also you have to retreat and to come here and see this self-perfectedness, consciousness without story, diamondness, diamond nature.